Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you here. If you want to know about my very first Welllllll haul, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and of course comment. Okay, let's get into the haul. So I was just browsing one day, being bored, just browsing. Like, if you know me, I barely shop for makeup unless I actually like need something. So I was just browsing. Somehow I landed in Makeup Revolution. Is it Makeup Revolution or just Revolution? Well, it just says Revolution Pro. I landed in Revolution Pro, and I browsed through pretty much like through the entire website to see what I would like, and I'm very good at choosing what I would like and what I would not like just by looking at the makeup on the net, seeing some swatches, seeing some videos about it. So these are pretty much the things I thought I would like, and let's just get into it. So I didn't buy much things because there wasn't a lot of things that interested me, to be honest. So the first thing I bought was the Welllllll 4K bronzer palette. It's the warm one. It looks really beautiful. It looked more pretty on the site. In person, it's really nice too, but I don't know, because I don't really have a bronzing shade for my client. I usually use powder of different shades. So I was like, let me get this bronzer shade. It looks kind of nice, right? I don't know. Like, I'm gonna swatch it for you. This is why I like my high quality makeup, because it's just better quality. So I'm just gonna put so these are the swatches. Looks very warm and orangey and reddish, right? Okay, so I don't know, because to me, honestly, to be honest, this shade is so useless to me, so useless. Like, what am I gonna use this for? Like, I don't know, it's useless. This one, I can use it for my fair tone, I guess. This one it'd be nice for my mediums. This is a nice tone, and this I can use for my deep. So these two I like, and these two I do not like. So yeah, so bronzers are supposed to give you like a sun-kissed look, and those other two are just ashy, I guess. It just looks so ashy. So I'm just gonna try one right now. I'm just gonna try this one because this one is the deepest one. Let's see. Just try over here. Whoa, pigment. Okay. It kind of did something, right? It gave me some kind of warmth. So I like that for the deep shades. I like this one for the deep shade. This one is for the medium. This one and this one, I don't know if they will work. Maybe for like fair skin tones. I don't know. It's just I don't know. Maybe for fair skin tones. Very powder. So maybe. So that one out of 5, I'll give it a 3 because I actually like those two other shades, and maybe the other shades will work when I actually try it on a fair skin tone. So on to the next one. The next ones I got because I already have powders, but I'm running out of my deep powders. I got the Welllllll Pro powder foundation. I like powders foundation because I can always use light hand or use a heavy hand to set the foundation. So this is the color I got, F16. This is a really nice dark shade for my dark skins. It's a really nice powder. It's really soft, really soft. See, it's a really nice shade. And the other shade I got is F18. See how dark this is? This is gonna be like a really good contour shade for my deep tones. Look at that, look at that. You can see it has no warmth, but it's a good contour, and I can use the bronzer palette to bronze up any part of the face I need to bronze up. So okay, and the last palette I got is the Eye Revolution Praline palette. When I saw this one, I was like, I must get it. I must get it. I must get it. I must get it. See how beautiful these shades are. So freaking beautiful. So freaking beautiful. Now, let me swatch it. Let me swatch it for you, honey. Let me swatch it. Give you a good swatch. Okay, oops. Let me just put it over here. Look at that. You guys see that? Very chalky and not really sparkly. Like, it's not very sparkly to me. It's just really chalky and shiny, I guess. And this little shade over here, this last one, I don't know, barely shows. You can see that it's not showing anything on me. Oh Lord Jesus, maybe I'll just try it on a lighter skin tone, maybe to show up. Maybe like a nice neutral contour for like fair and light skin tones. Since I have them, I will try it. If I honestly try it on the skin and I do not like it, I am giving it away. I do not keep what I do not like. I do not do that because I do not have the space and it's just a waste. I'm not going to reach for it, so I rather give it to somebody that will actually like it. So yeah, so the shades, I don't know, like, look at these shades. Look at these shades. This blush is like, it's not good. It's just really not good. This one is manageable. I thought I would love this one more for my deep skin tones, and this one for my fair is just so chalky. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This one is definitely like a 1 star. Give me this one like a 1 star. I don't know. Swatching can be deceiving compared to actually putting it on the face. So I will just let me just try a little bit on the face. I'm gonna try it on my décolleté. See, it's just so shiny, like, and powdery, but you don't see any like shimmer. I don't see the shimmer. It's just shiny. I don't see shimmer. I don't see glitter. It's just really high pigmented color. I want some shimmer, shine, you know. It's really disappointing. I guess I could just use it as basis before my actual highlight I use for people. That is the balm from Danessa Myricks. I have Danessa Myricks highlighter that I use on my clients. It's the best. So I'll just use this as basis, I guess. So I give this a 3 because I don't think it's bad. I'll try the light ones on light skin tone. I don't think it'll be bad. I give this one a definitely 1 because the quality, I can do better. Powders, these are good. These are really good. I think I'll give this a 5 because powders are the powder shades are really good and the quality looks super soft. So overall makeup for isn't this a makeup revolution? Overall, I'm giving Revolution a 3 out of 5 stars as a brand to me, because these are the things I thought I would actually really like out of the entire makeup on their site. I went through that site. I was like, I don't think I'll like this and this, and I'm pretty good at knowing whether I'll like something or not on websites. I'm pretty good. So these are the things I thought I would really like. Some I really like, some I really don't. I will play with it. If I don't, I'll give it to someone, like I said. But this is my rating: 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 for Revolution Pro. Will I order again? No, unless they like improve the quality. I'm more of a quality girl. I love good quality. So until I do my next haul, I don't know when that will be. That will probably take 100 years, because I barely buy anything. I just stick with what I love and own. And yeah, so I know it was quick. I know it was vicious. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know, what do you like in Makeup Revolution? Anyways, don't forget, Jesus love you, I love you, and I will catch you on my next video. Yeah.